Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's look is all about Valentine's Day look, and you can create this look very easily and you can go out with your loving Valentine and celebrate this day in a very memorable manner. So to create this look, I'm starting with Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. I'll spray it and I'll apply it with the help of my finger. Then I'll apply Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, which is very good moisturizing lotion for dry skin. Generally, I have a very oily skin, but in winter it gets very dry. Next, I'll take a Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics, and with the help of my ring finger, I'll spray it all over my face so that it gives very smooth texture. As you have noticed, I have so many dark spots and red marks on my face, so I'm taking here City Agent 1 concealer palette from Purple, and I'm applying it with the help of a pointed brush on my spots. Generally, this green color corrector will cancel out your red marks and dark spots from your face after applying foundation, which makes your face look very flawless and clean. So after applying this color corrector with the help of brush, I'll just pat it with the help of my ring finger, and I'll pat it very lightly on my skin so that it gets blended on my skin and will not look patchy when I apply my foundation. To set my color corrector and avoid mixing with my foundation, I'll apply Color Bar Compact Powder in the shade 03 Sandy Nude, and I'll apply it with the help of a sponge which is available on this compact powder. For foundation, I'm going to use Kryolan Supracolor FS 22 shade number, and I'll just pat it with the help of my finger all over my face, and then I'll just slightly blend it. I'm avoiding here brush for blending and blending it with my finger, so that little warmth on my finger will help my foundation to melt and blend more easily on my skin. To blend my foundation more and avoid looking cakey and patchy, I'm going to use here Color Bar Black Beauty Blender, and with the help of this blender, I'm going to pat it and make my foundation more smooth on my skin. To highlight certain part of my face, I'm going to use NYX Concealer One Stop Concealer in the shade True Beige, and I'm applying it on my under eye, on my chin areas, Cupid's bow, forehead, and on my eyelids to make my eyeshadow look more vibrant. And I'm blending it with the help of Beauty Blender. This way you give a little dimension to your flat face after applying foundation. To highlight my nose, I'm gonna apply same concealer on my bridge of the nose, and I'll just blend it with the same Beauty Blender. To set my brows, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and with the help of angular brush, I'm gonna apply it on my eyebrows. And I'll just make a small strokes, very light strokes on my eyebrows, and make it darker slowly, because once you are mistaken, you will not be able to rectify it. So here my both the brows are done. Now I'm gonna set my base, but this time I'm not using any loose finishing powder. I'm just using same Color Bar Compact Powder, and both these steps will make your makeup last long. Now it's time for eye makeup. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and with the help of blending brush, I'm going to take the shade named Henna, and I'll apply it above my crease line area. So as you can see, my eyes are hooded, so I'll take this eyeshadow as a transition color, and I'll apply it above my fake crease line, or you can say imaginary crease line area. Next shade, I'm gonna take Koko from the same palette, and with the help of pencil brush, I'll just draw the crease line on my fake crease and draw the V on the outer corner of my eyes to give some dimension to my eyes. Then same shade I'm gonna apply on my lower waterline areas, not exactly on waterline but outer the waterline, and this way you can give effect on your smaller eyes to look bigger. Next, I'm going to take a shade Trust Fund from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid with the help of my finger. This shade is quite bronzy and shimmery, so it will help my eyes look more popped. To highlight my eye makeup, I'm gonna use Moon Dust from the same palette, which is pinkish shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply it to the inner corner of my eyes and to the brow bone areas. For lashes, I'm gonna use waterproof mascara by Koko Milano. I'm not going to use any false lashes because I don't want any dramatic look on this day. So I'm using this mascara on my upper lash as well as lower lash and keeping it simple. To give some dimension and depth to my face, I'm going to use Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper, and first I'm going to use it on both the sides of my nose to make my nose look slimmer and blend it with the same brush so that no harsh line could be seen on my nose. Then I'll apply same bronzer under the cheekbone areas to make my face look slimmer, as well as I'll apply it under the jawbone areas to sharpen my jawbone, and I'll apply it on my forehead to give some bronzy effect to my face. Then I'm gonna take big fluffy brush and blend everything into a flawless and clean look. And now comes my favorite part. I'm gonna use Tarte blush palette in the shade Bull Float, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, forehead, chin and nose to make my look more blushing and loving on this special day. For highlighter, I'm gonna use Ofra Mini Highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I'll apply it on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead to make my look glowy. To make my look complete, I'm gonna use LA Girl lip liner in the shade Relentless Red, and after that I'm gonna use lip color from NYX in the shade Monte Carlo. And of course I'm using red on my lips because this day is for red roses, red heart. And to lock my makeup, I'm gonna use NYX long lasting setting spray, and here my makeup is done. Now it's time for hairstyling. If you want to see how I did my hairstyle, then please check out my next video, which will be uploading soon. And now I'm all set to go for my Valentine date. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye guys.